Hi guys, I just got home from picking up a grocery haul from Walmart. So I have all of our groceries ready to go. Have them all out on the counter so I can show you everything I got for the week. Starting this year off super healthy. I hope you guys are all having a great start to the new year. Definitely, I love to start eating healthy as soon as possible with the new year. So I've got tons of healthy foods for the week. I do a weekly grocery pickup, so we'll have all this for the week. I'm gonna share with you our meal plan for dinners, what I'm gonna make for lunch for my meal prep this week, and all the other healthy foods that we got for the week. So I will show you everything that I got. All right, you guys, so here's all of my groceries. I will show you everything we're gonna have for the week, what we're planning on having for dinner. I got some eggs. We love eggs for breakfast. The eggs are getting so expensive. This carton was $7, so I decided to try these liquid egg substitute. It's cheaper, but still expensive. I just can't believe how much eggs are. I'm seriously considering getting some chickens, but I think they might be a little too much work for me. I don't know. But super expensive eggs right there. Have yogurt. My husband and my kids, they love yogurt. They put blueberries in them, in the yogurt. I have my mint that I put in my detox water. We have taco shells. We have tacos all the time. My kids love these little mini tortilla bowls, and then some crunchy tacos. Benjamin is obsessed with regular tortillas for quesadillas and everything. We have our almond milk, regular milk. Let's see, we got sliced cheese, hot dogs, some sour cream, chopped spinach. I'm gonna use this in our ham and egg cups, which I love to make tons of those for breakfast. They freeze really well also. Edamame, we love edamame. We have it, we're gonna have it with this chicken apple sausage. We love chicken apple sausage for dinner. You can have it on a bun, hot dog bun or not, but super good. Big bag of walnuts, green beans. One of my favorite snacks is cottage cheese. I just love cottage cheese. Apple cider vinegar. You guys know that I love my apple cider vinegar teas. Lots of weight loss teas for apple cider vinegar. These yogurt raisins. My husband loves these, so he packs them in his lunch. And then this veggie spaghetti. This stuff is so awesome. You guys should try and find it at your grocery store. It is just like spaghetti, but it is lots of veggies in it, and my kids don't even know the difference. So I love that. Big old bag of carrots. One night this week we'll have some salmon. I'll make up some chicken, and then I have my bell peppers, and then I have lentils, black beans, and corn, and that'll make some burrito bowls. Have some broccoli that we'll have with the salmon. Bacon, I'm gonna make some bacon in the air fryer. I love to have bacon ready for the week. My lunch for this weekend, I'm gonna make a cabbage detox soup. So here's my cabbage. It's gonna be cabbage and carrots. I have some celery back there, some onion. I have tomato paste and some diced tomatoes. So all of that will be in my detox soup. So I'm starting the year off with detox soup, and it'll be awesome to try and get super healthy for the beginning of the year. We have lots of bananas. My family loves bananas. They love apples. I get red, and I got some green apples back here too. So lots of food, some sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches for lunch, and all kinds of awesome healthy stuff will be set for the week. So our meal plan for dinners will be salmon one night, chicken apple sausage. We'll use the chicken for burrito bowls, and I'll have the detox soup ready for the whole week. We'll have tacos one night, and everything will be all ready to go. And I just like having everything planned out and ready, so it just saves a lot of time and stress to have all of the meals, all the groceries, everything organized, ready to go for the week. So I hope that you guys liked my grocery haul for the week. Hope it gives you a little inspiration to do some meal planning as well. And I hope that you have a really great start to your new year. Check back on my channel. I will be making tons of detox recipes and weight loss recipes if you're looking to lose a few pounds in the new year, or just get super healthy. So check back, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.